What's up, everybody? Josh here. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm out in Wesley Chapel, Florida, and Persimmon Park in Wiregrass area. So I'm going to take you on a tour of a couple of new construction homes. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below, but enough talking. Let's start today's tour. All right, this is the Lennox model home by David Weekley. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It has a study, retreat, 2-car garage, 2972 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look at this one. This starts at just over $548,000. Keep in mind that is the starting price. You can add, customize them, all this stuff. When you come in, right here to the left, this is the sales office. This is opened up, but this would be your garage here, and this would be a solid wall right there. And I'll show you where the garage door will be in a second. But right when you come in the front door, you have a half bath right here. And then continuing on, you're gonna have a closet right here. They're using this for, obviously their storage right now. And then over here, that is where the door for the garage. And then you see how they have a drop zone here. Then right here would be your flex room. So you could have the French doors. You could turn this into a 5th bedroom if you wanted to. Several different options. Does have a closet. All right, continuing on. Let's go upstairs, then we'll come back down and take a look at the living room and kitchen and all that good stuff. All right, so you come on up, you have this, let me show you here. There's windows here. Probably didn't see those when we were coming up the stairs. And then right here to the right, it's where your air handler is going to be. And then let's start over here to the left. So nice big master suite. Walk-in closet, pretty nice size walk-in closet. And this one is in Wesley Chapel in the Persimmon Park community. Got your dual vanity, your walk-in shower. And then of course the toilet would be there. All right, continuing on. Have this nice loft area here. Second story laundry room. Bedroom number 2. Nice size bedroom. Show you the closet here. Oh, this one actually has a little walk-in closet. Okay, continuing on, right here to the left. Got the bathroom, got the dual vanity on this one as well. And then your tub and shower combo there. All right, bedroom number 3. I'll show you here, this has the pull-out doors, just a standard closet. And bedroom number 4. A little bit bigger closet on this one. All right, let's go downstairs. Take a look at the kitchen, the living room, then check out the back. All right, so come down the steps. To the right here, you got your living room. Triple sliders over there. And here's your kitchen, a nice big island. And then your pantry right there. This is electric community, so electric cooktop. Nice brown cabinets. I like the contrast there. Let me know what you think about that. Obviously, when you build, you can do different options. Some of their quick move-ins, and we've already picked them, but you could, you know, still, let's see what they got unlocked, if anything. Let's go here. So then you come out, you have your covered lanai here. And then obviously pavers and all that stuff is a option. Or you could do it yourself after the fact. I don't know if the builder actually is an option. But here is the back of this one. And once again, this is the Lennox floor plan by David Weekley. Hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.